Good morning, everyone. In this vlog, I will tell you about noun's kind. Means what is noun? Its kind with some example and exercises. So first, we will talk about what is noun. Noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. You are studying from class 1, so you have clear. See, I have given you some example also. Ram bought some pencil from shop. So Ram is your person. Okay. Now in this I have given you Ram bought some pencil or pen. So pen is your thing. Now from the shop. So shop is your place. Okay. Your example was Ram bought some pens from shop. So here Ram is your person, pen is your thing, and shop is your place. Clear? Now we'll talk about its kind. See kind. Now kinds. So here kinds: proper noun, common noun, compound noun, collective noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun. Here pronoun we will not study. Okay. Countable, uncountable. So these all 9 you have to learn. Proper noun you have to not learn, but these all 9 you have to learn. So please write in your copy. So first we'll talk about what is proper noun. Proper noun particular person, place, animal or thing means किसी चीज को पर्टिकुलर प्लेस एनिमल और थिंग दे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी रीना, Pepsodent, Ranchi. So Reena is your name, Ranchi is your place, Pepsodent is thing. It is a particular na, means Reena name, Ranchi is place, Pepsodent is place. Now we'll talk about common noun. Name of any person, place, animal or thing in general. So example see lady, school, cat, fan. Okay. Now we will talk about compound noun. When two other nouns are combined to form single noun, the result is known as compound noun. Means when any two noun combined and it's formed single. So सिंगल मीन्स इन हिंदी लेसन मतलब कभी कोई दो नाउन एक साथ कंबाइन होते हैं और फिर वो फॉर्म करते हैं सिंगल नाउन, तो रिजल्ट जो आता है उसे कंपाउंड नाउन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल टेबल टॉप, बटर मिल्क, बेडरूम, मोटरसाइकिल एक्सेट्रा. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट कलेक्टिव नाउन. Refer a group of people, place, animal or thing spoken as one. See, a group, any group of anything like a group of grapes. Okay. मतलब ग्रुप हो, जैसे आप लोग स्कूल में जाते हैं ग्रुप बनाते, तो वो ग्रुप तो उसे कहते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बुके ऑफ फ्लावर, पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स, स्वान ऑफ बीज. ओके. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट concrete noun. Okay. Concrete noun are those that can be touched or seen. Means I have taken any mobile phone, so I can touch that. So that is called concrete noun. Means which you can touch, which you can feel, which you can see. That is only called concrete noun. So you can write in your copy. Concrete noun are those that can touch or see. Now example table, elephant, hammer, pencil, eraser, etc. Now abstract noun. Okay. Cannot be felt by five senses. They speak of idea, feeling and concept. Means any angry, thickness means किसी के अंदर हम लोग कमी खोजते हैं ना, उसे कहते हैं abstract noun. Like she is very angry, she is very thick. Okay, so that is only called abstract noun. When I will explain you after that, I will again read with in English, so you can write in your copy. So we have talked about abstract, so now we will talk about material noun. These are the names of substance that which different idea are made. Means इसके different ideas are made. For example, sand, sugar, gold, butter, etc. Now I'll talk about. So here pronoun we have to now say in next lecture I will tell you. Here we'll talk about countable noun. Countable noun which can be count, but it is used in singular, like a pen. So see, in countable noun, it can talk about singular also, plural also. Like a pen, six pens. Coin, coins. Okay, means now we'll talk about uncountable. That cannot be counted. It is a liquid substance. Like example, oil, plastic, milk. You can't count oil, can't count milk. Okay, so here I have some concrete and abstract noun in countable, uncountable. Okay, so concrete of people, decks. It's very important. You have to write in copy. Abstract, promise, thoughts, flow, milk, patience, kill. So again, I am going to read in English. Okay, proper noun, name of particular person, place, animal or thing. Example, Reena Ranji. Common noun, name of any person, place, animal or thing in general. Example, lady, school. After you write etc. Countable noun can be counted and can use in singular or plural. Example, coin, coins, etc. Uncountable noun, they are also called mass noun and refer to liquid substance and ideas. Example, oil, plastic, milk, etc. Now, concrete noun are those that can be touched or seen. Example, table, elephant, hammer, etc. Abstract noun cannot be felt by five senses. They speak of ideas, feeling and concepts. Example, anger, thickness. Material noun, these are the name of substance from which different things are made. Example, sand, sugar, gold, butter, etc. Compound noun, when two other nouns are combined to form a single noun, the result is called compound noun. For example, tabletop, buttermilk, bedroom, etc. Collective noun refer to group of the people, place, animal or thing. Spoken as one. Example, bouquet of flower, pack of card, etc. So these are the definition of the types of nouns. So you can write in copy. Now we'll talk about exercises. See, here is concrete. In one column, concrete noun is given. In second column, abstract noun. So we have to match. Okay, so we will match. First is sugar. Sugar will match with. Sugar is sweet. So sugar will match with this. Now knife. Knife is sharp. So knife will sharpness. See, vastness. Tower. Tower is highest. So tower will be highest. Now snakes. Snakes are fear. Fear. Now wrestler. Wrestler is strength. We have strength now. Dolphins. Intelligence. Snow. Cold. It's cold now. Now fire. Fire is heat. See, you can't see, no? Okay, again I'm doing. Sugar, sweet. Knife, sharp. Sea, vastness. Tower, height. Snake, fear. Dolphin, intelligence. Wrestler, strength. Snow, cold. Heat means fire, heat. Okay. Now next we will do here, pick out countable and uncountable. So here the supermarket is quite close to eyes. House means supermarket is quite close to our house. So here supermarket we can count, means it is countable noun. Wait. Supermarket. Wait. See, supermarket is your countable noun. Okay. Now here house. Here house is a countable noun and supermarket. Now how did you get paint to our clothes? So paint is your countable noun and clothes is also your countable noun. Third, it is said that anger is one worst enemy. So anger is countable noun, enemy is countable noun. So this fourth one I want answer in comment box. Okay. Now here one more. Fill the noun to provide bracket. So his dash arrive is at 7 o'clock. Here will be arrival. The dash bracket hot and humidity are weather sap everyone angry. So here will be heat. Third, the sight before the pregnant her. His knowledge of physics made him favorite to our physics teacher. Equality is something no human being should have to fight for. Sixth, his father took great pride in telling people about his son's result. 7. Mr. Ram has lost a lot of weight lately. 8. His presence at her concrete meant a lot of his daughter. 9th. Life is precious, do not waste it. 10th. Pride come before fall. So today we have finished noun. Any problem, so please comment it. Please like my video and subscribe it. Thank you.